Hey, it's Kurt with Black Dog Cycle Works. I'm here today to introduce you to our new traction foot peg for the KTM 390 Adventure. This was probably one of our more challenging foot pegs because the KTM decided to slant the stock foot peg forward by 15 degrees, which really created an awkward riding position, especially when standing up and riding off-road. What we were able to do with our design is not only flatten the foot peg, but lower it by ½ inch for that extra leg room. In addition, you'll see it's about 50% larger than the stock peg, which really gives you a lot more comfort and a lot more control of the motorcycle. That extra leverage really makes a big difference, and it's like adding power steering to your motorcycle. Plus, you'll feel less fatigue at the end of the day because your foot is fully supported. If you haven't tried the larger pegs, our customers will tell you you're definitely missing out, and you won't fully appreciate the difference until you try the set of pegs. So I strongly suggest you check out the larger pegs that we offer. Because not a lot of things can take the fun out of a trip more than a broken foot peg, we machine ours from a solid piece of billet aluminum, which we feel is a much stronger design than the bolt-together pegs. It is made from a special aircraft alloy. We do not use 6061 material because we feel that is too brittle for this application. We often say if you break one of our foot pegs, you probably have bigger issues to deal with. And as with all of our products, these are proudly made in the USA. If you have any questions, please give us a shout through our website at blackdogcw.com or call us at 208-263-4400. Thanks so much for your support and have a great day.